So in this video, we're going to look at, again, converting an equation that's in polar form to rectangular form, but this is problem type 2. So these are going to be just a little bit more involved than the previous ones we've done. So again, those equations we have at hand to help us out to convert are x squared plus y squared equals r squared, x is equal to r cosine theta, y is equal to r sine theta, and that the tangent of theta is equal to y over x. So, for example, convert to rectangular form. So the first one, r equals minus 8 sine theta. So we are kind of, if you notice, I have a sine theta, and I have something over here that has a sine theta in it, but it needs r sine theta, not just sine theta. So one of the things that I can do is I could multiply both sides by r to get that r that I need in here. And so if I rewrite this, I end up with r squared is equal to minus 8r sine theta. And now I can replace r squared with x squared plus y squared. And I can replace r sine theta with y. So x squared plus y squared is equal to negative 8y. And I can't really solve that for y, so I'm just going to leave it the way that it is. So let's look at another one here, b. R equals 5 over 2 cosine theta plus 3 sine theta. So again, the way that this is written right now is kind of, so there's nothing I can exactly substitute in, but one of the things I could do is I could multiply the 2 cosine theta plus 3 sine theta up to the other side. So I could have r times 2 cosine theta plus 3 sine theta being equal to 5. And now if I distribute that r, I would end up with 2r cosine theta plus 3r sine theta being equal to 5. So r cosine theta here, that's the same as x. So we have 2x plus r sine theta is the same as y. 3y equals 5. So I have a nice little line there. If I wanted to, I could solve this line for y. I don't have to. I could just leave it this way. This is more the standard form of writing a line, and this is the way that Alex leaves it, so I'm just going to leave it that way. But if you want to solve it for y, you could. So converting, if you don't have that r sine theta or r cosine theta, figuring out a way to get the r in there either by multiplying both sides by r or multiplying the bottom of a fraction up like we did in this last problem, those are good ways to get the r cosine theta or the r sine theta that you need to be able to replace it with x or y.